Samsung Qn95a Neo Qled 4K TV Review. The Samsung Qn95a is Samsung's flagship Neo Qled 4K TV for 2021, and the first to possess a mini LED backlight. It is different from micro LED, which is a totally distinct self-emissive display technology. Mini LED makes use of a recently developed backlight that's very little and more effective, leading to a noticeable increase in dimmable zones and thinner panels. Samsung Qn95a design. When it comes to design, the Samsung Qn95a possesses a similarly classy and minimalist design ethos introduced a year ago, with a thin panel and nearly no bezel. The fact that there's a complete array mini LED backlight and 8 speakers at the back of the panel, it's astonishing that Samsung did their best to pack everything into a chassis that's only 15mm deep. Assembling the stand is quite easy and it complements the entire appearance. It's also quite heavy, offering big and stable support. You can even wall mount the Qn95a if you want it on the wall, by using the optional no-gap bracket, with the lone cable from the Smart One Connect box, thereby making the installation less challenging, stylish, beautiful, and neat. The One Connect box has reduced in size, and it's now sophisticated and more stylish. This new size makes it less noticeable, enabling the box to be easily hidden away if needed. The textured matte black finish is another new inclusion. It replaced the former glossy black boxes that were like a magnet for smudges and fingerprints. The box possesses 4 HDMI inputs, in which only the HDMI 3 supports CR. Also, all of the HDMI inputs can handle up to 40 gigabits per second, which implies they can accept 4K/120Hz, VRR, and well. Although not full HDMI 2.1 connections, they provide enough bandwidth, which makes this TV an excellent option for next-gen gamers who desire to take total advantage of their new console or consoles. Smart TV. The Samsung Qn95a uses a similar Tizen-powered smart platform to its predecessors, which is still responsive, intuitive, and an easy-to-navigate interface. There's a launcher bar that's placed along the bottom and a second layer that offers rapid access to the video streaming services. As regards those streaming services, the option is quite encompassing and it consists of YouTube, Now TV, Amazon, Disney+, Rakuten, Netflix, Apple TV+, and every UK TV catch-up service. The only issue with all these options is that it's difficult to keep track, but Samsung provided a solution. Samsung Qn95a performance. Picture quality. Let's get to the point here. The Samsung 65 Qn95a is a successful TV, and it makes an outstanding strong case for mini LED as a television technology. The films that don't at some point feature white text on a black ground are small. It's most usually the end credits, and relatively usually when the text is scrolling. Even good LED/LCD TVs will be contending with this type of thing. The text can be blurry or have a smear, and backlighting can generate a halo around the words. While the black of the screen itself is not as black as the OLED TV equivalent. But the Qn95a doesn't strife at all. It ensures that the text is kept under control, as regards its movement and its brightness, and it produces deeper, more effective black levels than any LED/LCD viewer is accustomed to. Audio quality. The Qn95a's sound system is basically invisible. It possesses a big number of drivers, about 8 of them. Besides, they are arranged in a 4.2.2 arrangement that Samsung normally refers to as OTS Plus and is rated to 70 watts. OTS, Object Tracking Sound, refers to the fact that the system is developed to generate a sense of three-dimensionality similar to Dolby Atmos. All of which makes it a bit irritating that the Qn95a can't naturally play Dolby Atmos soundtracks. However, it can pass them out to a connected speaker system, e.g. a Samsung soundbar. Irrespective of the tech involved, or not, the Qn95a puts in a stable audio performance that's crispy, clear, direct, strong, and effective, but with excellent weight and openness. It gives an efficient sense of space and atmosphere while guaranteeing that both the dialogue and effects are clearly displayed. Also, the detail levels are raised high by the standards of an integrated sound system. Conclusion. Knowing fully well that this latest television technology usually comes at a price to start with, that's why it's not too surprising to find the QE65 Qn95a priced £2,999, like a top-notch, high-quality product. However, to be honest, it is at the top of Samsung's 4K range for 2021, plus that One Connect box is worth paying an additional more for, too. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.